All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you helped a child. Please, you can start.
Helping others is a very good thing. I have received and helped, and I have given and received help many times. When I completed my 12th, I helped the kid in my neighborhood, Alia. She was having a problem in her chemistry subject, so I helped her. Her mother was very worried that she would fail as her final exams at her school were going to start. So I helped her in her studies. I would go to her house, and teach her chemistry. Her mother was so excited at my effort. She would make delicious food for me to eat. And after the result came, she scored 80% in her chemistry test.
Okay, thank you so much. The first thing is you need to increase your energy level, boost your energy level, and speak actively and energetically. Second, you are speaking thoughtfully. You're thinking a lot, and therefore you are not speaking fluently. So try to speak fluently. Think and talk, but try to be fluent, okay? And you need practice with all these topics. Let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do you think we should help children?
Because because helping others give you a kind of happiness that you cannot explain, and gives you a mental satisfaction. So I think you should help.
Okay,
others.
this answer is rather short. Try to add a little more. And overall, you need to be active and energetic when you are answering the question. Try to add more and speak excitedly. These things will influence the examiner to get good bench score. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.